Alright, so today we're going to talk about what I learned spending $19,576 on Facebook ads. Alright, so this is it. Here it is, if you don't believe me. So I have a couple of different ad accounts. I have about 5. And I also done it for some of my clients, but today we're just looking at my own. So here it is. Here's how much spent on one: 12,000, 4,000, 1,000, and 1,500 or so. All right, so here's what I've learned. First, it works. It works really well. The easiest type of campaign that you could build is a retargeting campaign, which essentially means you're retargeting your own website visitors to come back to buy your service or whatever you're offering. So if you are spending money on, let's just say, AdWords, or if you are doing content marketing, if you're writing blog articles on your website and you're actually getting traffic from that, if you are not doing retargeting Facebook ads and Instagram ads to drive people back to either submit their contact information or to come submit and buy your service or whatever it is, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. So first is, it works as long as your audiences are set up correctly. And your audiences, again, it's very easy. The easiest form of ads you could do is retargeting. So you're just retargeting your own visitors. These are people who have already showed interest in you and what you offer, and you're just telling them, hey, come back, I could definitely help you. So that's the easiest thing. I mean, I would not suggest there's so many Facebook coaches, so many things that teach you about how to create audiences, which audiences to go after based on location, geographic. All that stuff really doesn't matter. Like, it's not as effective as doing your own targeting your own website visitors. So that's the most important. Second thing that I learned is that your offer message really matters. You want to be transparent. You want to be real. Be very transparent, be very real in your ads. Usually those pictures and images that are very natural, that are kind of look like organic Facebook pictures and Instagram pictures, those are the ones that do really well. You don't want to just use very generic pictures. Stay away from those. And third is that usually shorter and more straight to the point ads really definitely usually do better. So cut to the chase and do that. And then the other thing to keep in mind is you need to A/B test different kinds of ads, different audiences. There's basically, you want to make sure to create enough forms of ads to see what works or not. Videos do really well on Facebook. Pictures work really good on Instagram. So you just always want to continue to experiment. And then the last thing is, you want to make sure that you track your conversions. That means if you're at the end of the goal, if you're trying to capture leads, then you want to tell Facebook, hey, anytime there's a lead captured, go ahead and count it as a conversion. For me, I offer services, so the services have an actual value to it. Just for one of my services, just from Facebook ads, spent $12,700 to make $89,000. And then Facebook doesn't even capture half of the conversion. So this is actually a lot more probably. This is probably 2 times more, I would assume. So with $12,000, with probably making around $150,000. So the way to do the ROI is $150,000 minus, say $13,000. Again, one more time, $150,000 minus $13,000. And then you divide it by the actual expense. So this has a 1,000% ROI, right? Yeah, basically 10 to 1 ratio of for every dollar I put in, I expect to get $10 back from these campaigns. Generally, overall, for all the campaigns, for all the ads that I did for this one specific service. So it has a really high ROI. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about this, about retargeting and things like that, please let me know. It does work. You just have to set it up correctly and be consistent with it. All right, talk to you guys soon.